a sitting member of parliament, arrested, secretly transported across the country, his location undisclosed allegedly for his own protection. But why would a man accused of interfering in a murder investigation need protection at all? To understand this story, we go back to July 2017. Hi everyone, welcome to Legal Dynamics Co, where we unpack the law and justice one case at a time. Umzimkhulu, KwaZulu-Natal. Sindiso Magaka was ambushed at a car wash and shot multiple times. Weeks later, he died in hospital at just 34 years old. Magaka had reportedly been exposing corruption linked to municipal tenders. Then came the bullets. Years later, convicted hitman Sibusiso Njengwa received an effective 25-year sentence after admitting involvement and reportedly naming others connected to the killing.
The accused, Sibusiso Njengwa, showed no emotion as the court handed down its judgment.
Then came May 2026. Fadiel Adams, leader of the National Coloured Congress and sitting MP, was arrested at his Cape Town home by the SAPS Political Killings Task Team. The charges? Fraud and defeating or obstructing the course of justice. But this is where the case becomes explosive. Adams claims he visited Njengwa in prison not to interfere but to expose something bigger. According to Adams, Njengwa signed a sworn statement allegedly implicating Dumisani Khumalo in ordering Magaka's killing.
Of the PKTT, General Dumisani Khumalo. The PKTT is headed by an alleged criminal, who I put before the dock. I lay those charges.
Khumalo himself was previously arrested on fraud and corruption charges. So now the question changes. Is Adams a suspect or a whistleblower? Under South African law, defeating the course of justice involves intentionally interfering with investigations or judicial processes. Prosecutors allege Adams crossed that line by engaging with a convicted hitman during an active political murder investigation. His legal team argues the opposite. They say Adams acted within his parliamentary oversight role and even presented the affidavit before Parliament's police portfolio structures. Another key issue? The J50 warrant used for his arrest. His lawyers argue Adams was not properly informed of the allegations during arrest, something that could potentially be challenged in court. And this case stretches far beyond one politician. The Madlanga Commission has already heard allegations that elements within crime intelligence may have known about the Magaka plot beforehand. If investigators themselves are accused of connections to the crime, who investigates the investigators? South Africans are deeply divided. Some believe Adams interfered with justice during a sensitive murder probe. Others believe he got too close to powerful people. And at the center of it all remains Sindiso Magaka, a politician who spoke out against corruption and never made it home. Fadiel Adams is expected to appear before the Pinetown Magistrates Court, where the state is expected to oppose bail. So the question is, did Fadiel Adams obstruct justice? Or is justice being used to obstruct him? Let me know your thoughts below.